Hello everyone. Thank you very much for being with us today. Here's a new problem. So let alpha and beta be two real numbers. Prove that cosine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha plus beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta times cos alpha plus beta is equal to sine squared beta. You can, always, pause the video and try to solve the problem. Before solving the problem, we start by what we need so far. So, what we need to solve this problem. First, there's cosine alpha plus beta. That's equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. There's also cos alpha minus beta. That's equal to cos alpha cos beta plus. So instead of the minus, there's plus. So cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. There's also cos 2x, well, 2 alpha, but 2x, where x is a real number. So cos 2x is equal to cos squared x minus sine squared x, or also equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. It's also equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So we will use just these two last ones. And at last we have the product cos p times cos q, where p and q are both real numbers. So this product is equal to 1/2 times cos p plus q, so cos p plus q, plus cos p minus q. So this is so far these four rules. We will need them all. And this last one comes from the two first ones. Now we start to solve the problem. So we start by writing down the left-hand side of the equality. So we have cos squared alpha. Let's get it here. Cos squared alpha plus cos squared alpha plus beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta times cos beta times cos alpha plus beta. All that is equal to, so we'll leave this cos squared alpha as it is, but here we have cos alpha plus beta is a common factor between these two last ones. So we factorize cos alpha plus beta. That's factor or times cos alpha plus beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Okay. We factorize the cos alpha plus beta. Then it's equal to cos squared alpha, that remain to the end, cos alpha plus beta times, so this cos alpha plus beta will, by the first rule, so it's cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta, then minus the 2 cos alpha cos beta. Now it's cos squared alpha plus cos alpha plus beta. So we have cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta. That's minus cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. So it's equal to cos squared alpha plus cos alpha plus beta. We can factorize the minus, so it'll become cos alpha cos beta times minus, that'll become minus cos alpha plus beta, or times cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Good. But this sum here, cos alpha cos beta sine alpha plus sine alpha sine beta, that's exactly cos alpha minus beta. So it's equal to cos squared alpha minus cos alpha plus beta times cos alpha minus beta. We have this product, cos alpha plus beta times cos alpha minus beta. So it's a product. So we use the last one, the last rule. So it's cos squared alpha minus. Then now P is alpha plus beta and Q is alpha minus beta. So we have 1/2 times cos. Now P plus Q, that's alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. That's P. And alpha minus beta is Q. And their sum is equal to. Now we have a minus beta plus beta will cancel out. Then we have P plus Q is equal to 2 alpha. Now cos P minus Q. Now we'll make it minus alpha minus beta. If we remove the parentheses and distribute the minus, it'll become minus alpha plus beta. Then that means alpha minus alpha will cancel out, and we have this difference is equal to 2 beta. Beta plus beta, that's 2 beta. Cos squared alpha minus 1/2 times. Now cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos squared alpha minus 1. But the cos 2 beta, we use the second one, or third one, in fact. The third one, which is 1 minus 2 sine squared. So cos 2 beta is equal to plus 1 minus, because we need the sine squared beta. So it's 1 minus 2 sine squared beta. The result should be equal exactly to sine squared beta. So that's equal to, we'll distribute the minus 1/2. First we have minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out. And we have then cos squared alpha. So minus 1/2 times 2 cos squared alpha, that's exactly minus cos squared alpha. 1/2 and 2. Minus 1/2 times minus 2, that's plus 1 sine squared beta. And cos squared alpha will cancel out with minus cos squared alpha, and the final result is sine squared beta, which ends the proof. Well, thank you very much for watching the video till the end, and I hope this has been useful to everyone. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and goodbye.